Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the issue before the Honorable Delhi High Court was that whether the sale of the software will come into the definition of the royalty according to section 9 subsection 1 clause 6. This is a very disputed issue, and whenever the revenue comes in a situation that they find that there is some receipt of the money because of the sale of the software, then without going into the integrity of that matter, the revenue directly tries to tax that amount as royalty under section 9 subsection 1 clause 6, because in that case the revenue does not have to prove that whether the assessee has a permanent establishment in India or not. So whether this amount is taxable under section 9 subsection 1 clause 6 or not, this issue has been taken up by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation versus Cognite Technologies Israel Limited, and this case is reported in 472 ITR at page number 476, and the date of the judgment is 8th August 2023. The facts of the case are like this. In the present case, the assessment year is 2011-12, and the assessee is a company which is incorporated and based in Israel, received consideration for the sale of software during the previous year relevant to the assessment year 2011-12. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the learned assessing officer was of the considered view that in the present case, the amount received by the assessee from the sale of the software is royalty as per section 9 subsection 1 clause 6 according to article 12 subarticle 3 of the double taxation avoidance agreement between India and Israel, and as per section 9 subsection 1 clause 6. This was the allegation of the assessing officer, and he taxed that amount as royalty. When this matter came before the tribunal said that in the present case, for this year and for other years, there was no transfer of copyright in the off-the-shelf sale software, and the consideration received could not be constituted as royalty, and hence it was not taxable. The revenue took the matter to the High Court, and at the first time, the revenue contended that the software was custom built. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court, the court said that it was the first time the department sought to engage the court qua aspects which do not emerge from the record, and the court said that in the present case, the facts of the case are aligned with the Honorable Supreme Court judgment in the case of Engineering Analysis Center of Excellence Private Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, which was decided in 2021, and case is reported in 432 ITR at page number 471. And the court said that in the present case, the tribunal was right in upholding that amount received do not constitute royalty and is not taxable in India. So in the present case, the court said that the contention of the revenue which has been raised for the first time before the court, that the software is custom built, is not justified, and the revenue cannot come with a new point which is not apparent from the record of the case, and whatever the tribunal has held in favor of the assessee, that in the present case the amount received from the sale of software is not taxable as royalty as per article 12 sub article 3 between India and Israel, and according to section 9 subsection 1 clause 6. So it can be safely said that the amount which has been received by the assessee from the sale of the software is not taxable as royalty. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation versus Cognite Technologies Israel Limited, and this case is reported in 472 ITR at page number 476, and the date of the judgment is 8th August 2023. Thank you, friends.